Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix Jet2 app not working. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and go and download the Jet2 application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Jet2. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of videos on how you can do this. Now guys, when we did that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have the inbox on the top left corner, and in top right corner we have the menu where we have a lot of options such as search holidays, search flights, manage my bookings, etc, etc. Also in the bottom tab we have the home, holidays, flights, bookings, sign-in option, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Jet2 application not working. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps and tips to know how to do it. Basically what you need to do guys is go and basically you can go and restart your phone. That's the first option. You can go and restart your mobile internet or your Wi-Fi. Also, you can go and log out of the application and log in again. And of course, the always on, you can go and delete the application and then go and install it again to check out if then it will be working. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to, as always, like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as it really helps our channel grow, guys. So do not forget to do it if you want, of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video, as I said. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you hopefully in the next video. Bye guys.